Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you would like to purchase your Google Stories online, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the simple steps in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just get started. You can head over and open up your browser, and once you open up your browser, you can go over and type in on google.com, or even you can download the Google One application on your device and log in into your account if you're not logged in. Right now I am already logged in. You can see my profile in the top right corner. If you're not logged in, you can just go over and enter up your credentials for your Google account, and you will be finding this particular interface on your screen. Now, in order to purchase it, it is super easy. Right now you can see my stories is almost full. So if I want to purchase, you can go over from here and select this option called update in the top left. Once you select it up, this page opens up with different benefits and plan. So you can scroll through the benefits and plan. We have about basic, even Google AI Plus, and premium. So you can look out for the one that you would like to upgrade to. You can select your new storage limit as well. So basic is something we need to pay this much for now for 3 months, and we have different offers also going on. You can check it out and look out for the offers and get the one that you prefer. After you do so, you can select up the plan that you would like to purchase. For example, let's say this recommended one, and you can go over and get discount, and you can select this option. After that, continue. Once you select up your billing options and click on agree. After you complete up, your page opens up on your screen. From here, what you may do is you can select the option of adding up a payment method. You can add debit or credit card here. Or if not that, you can even use PayPal or anything. So here you can provide in your card number that you're using. After that, the CVV and the expiry date, etc. After that, also provide in your billing address and click on save. And once you confirm it up, you will be subscribed to the plan, and you will be having more storage on your Google. And that's it. So therefore, you may follow up this process. In order to do so, do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.